This is my first time in Malaysia. I hope you can understand me. Malaysia is a beautiful country and the weather is very, very warm. Very warm. For me, I'm not used to this.
I can honestly say 100% that this campus here is probably the top campus for facilities and commitment. This whole idea of the whole lab you will not see in Scotland as much. The design of this, to me, it looks like a coffee shop. So this is the intention.
First of all, they need to be motivated. They need to have passion for their industry, their studies, what they want to do, put a lot of time and effort into learning, whether patisserie or culinary art, whatever they do. They must allow for time to learn, and they also must ask lots of questions.
Attitude is very important, a good attitude towards studies. It doesn't matter whether it's culinary or it's any education, it's an attitude, a good attitude towards studies.
I think students have to study hospitality so that they can learn the basics of the skills and the knowledge that they need to be able to go into the industry to work and to have a professional career.
But for a chef, chef's a very hard job, a hard trade. So you must be prepared for the long road ahead. Because if you really want to make it, you must think the next 10, 15 years of hard work to make it to the top.
The key skill for us is to give them employability skills. They need to develop as a person, and important in the college, they need to be able to make a mistake and they learn from that mistake so that when they go to industry, they may not make the mistake and be profitable in the company.
Hello, Best College Scotland!
We have one job, and our job is to ensure that all of you develop yourself to the best you can be, to the best skills person you can be, and the best knowledge person you can be, and the best whole-round person. And everyone is different, but everyone must work 100% to be the best they can be, and use that to develop the best career. Because in the industry you are moving into, there is a phrase, it is called "the world is your oyster." So you have the opportunity to go anywhere and do anything if you work hard and you listen to your teachers.
Scotland, Golden Chef!